Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Legal & General Investment Management Review My Usage Experience. Legal & General Investment Management Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and analyzing investment performance managed by Legal & General. It's primarily aimed at individual investors and financial advisors who want to track the progress of their legal and general investments. Key features likely include performance reports, portfolio summaries, and potentially comparative analyses against benchmarks. Their website provides details on specific functionalities. Their website highlights ease of access to investment data, clear reporting, and potentially personalized dashboards. They emphasize data security and regulatory compliance. Pricing is likely tied to the specific investment accounts managed, but information on this can be found on their site. Availability is restricted to clients with existing legal and general investment accounts. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Legal & General Investment Management Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. I simply logged in using my existing Legal & General account credentials. The interface is fairly intuitive, though it took me a few minutes to understand the different sections of the dashboard. I was able to quickly generate performance reports for my various investment portfolios, including charts and graphs visualizing my returns over different time periods. The quality of the data presented was excellent, and the site loaded quickly. I had a quick question about interpreting a specific metric on a report, and their support team responded within 2 business days via email. I was really impressed by how comprehensive the reports are, providing detailed breakdowns of fees and capital gains. One minor drawback was the lack of mobile app access. Accessing the information was convenient on my laptop but less so on the go. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Legal & General Investment Management Review. It offers a valuable service for those wanting to closely monitor their investment performance. The depth of the data and ease of generating reports made it a positive experience. That's my overview of Legal & General Investment Management Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.